What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got an unboxing, team associated, Hoonicorn Apex 2. Now I heard a lot about this car. It's brushed, but of course I'm gonna make it brushless. This is a licensed body by Ford from the famous Hoonigan truck. Let's see what it comes in the box. You know what? I don't want to look on the outside of the box. I'm just gonna crack the box open and see what it comes in the box. Wow, I like the graphics of the box already. Just want to show y'all the graphics on the inside of the box real quick. That's kind of tight. I think I'm gonna use this box. I'm gonna break it apart and use it as a background. Got the floor with the skid marks on there. It's real nice. All out the box now. To show you what comes in the box. You got some spacers. You also got a gear, like a spur gear, speed spur gear. The manual. Yeah. You also get the manual to the transmitter. You get a bind plug. I don't know where that went, but you get a bind plug. And you get the controller, the XP120. I had one of these before. Hard to one-hand it with this, but I can make it work. I got skills like that. Outside of the car, you got the body is nice. Almost look like it's light buckets in there, but I'll take when I take the body off, I'll see. Yeah, this body is great. You got plastic on the roof here. Let's take this off. Got plastic around where you put the pins at, which I should leave that on. You got it in the back. You got it in the back too. Like the hood scoop it got on there. Got two blowers right here. You got the motor sticking out. This is all hard plastic. It's attached to the car. This thing is crazy looking. It don't have light buckets on it, I don't believe. Oh yeah, it got light buckets. Oh, you know what I'm going to do with that. All right, let's take the body off. Take a closer look. See how many light buckets do this thing have? Oh, cool. You got light buckets in the front. And light buckets in the back. Yeah, that's gonna be tight. I'm gonna put the lights on as soon as I. And the good part is, you know what I mean, it's thicker, but the light's gonna shine through. So I'm definitely gonna install some lights on here. I just don't know how many the back take. Probably just take two. I don't know. We shall find out. The body is a little flimsy, a little hard, but flimsy at the same time. Don't think you can take too much. Take too much damage. But this is street car, so what you gonna be doing? You're gonna be jumping and flipping. I like that body detail. Side of the car. Let me see what this is. You got the Reedy system set up in here. You got the ESC, the SC 5500X brushed. And you have the Sports 550 Reedy 15-turn motor. But what I'm gonna do, I have a Reedy system that I do want to install in here because I don't want this on brush. I'm gonna see how I drive on brush. Don't get it twisted. See how I drive on brush. But I don't think I'm gonna keep it like that. You got a metal center drive shaft. Got the metal center drive shaft. You have metal dog bones in the front and the rear. You have aluminum adjustable shocks. You got adjustable shocks. No, these ain't aluminum, are they? No, they're not aluminum. But you got adjustable shocks, oil-filled shocks in the front and in the rear. Let's see the servo. Servo is it's a Reedy servo. I don't know exactly what it is. I can read the box to find out, but I'm gonna leave the full description below. But so far I like it. The suspension is pretty good. Don't need to be doing it on this black glass table though. You even got the they even give you plugs so you can plug in the lights so you don't have to eat. Damn, that's so much easier. I could use these to plug the lights in instead of making my own. I really like this. I like how this is already. Because what I usually do is, I use this kind of plug up the lights too. Except for now, I don't have to make it. It already got it. Is that hooked to the ESC? Damn sure is. Wow, that's different. They got a hook to the ESC. Wow. I don't know if I like that. Because I don't want to keep this. I'm definitely not going to keep this more than ESC in here. Okay, whatever. Tires is nice and hard, not too soft, not too hard. You can tell they're going to grip. They definitely going to grip. You can definitely feel that. You got the foam bumper in the front. Got all metal chassis underneath. The arms, a little thin, but it is a street car and it is brushed, so they ain't gonna make it so thick. Why that screw look so old? Is that how they supposed to look? Alright, look kinda, y'all let me know, cause that screw look pretty old. No, it ain't supposed to look like that. That's rust. This car don't look like it ever been ran though, but them screws look rusty. And why did, okay. That look rusty. That one don't look rusty. That's rusty. Focus. That's got a little rust on it. That got a little rust on it. That's weird. Yeah, but this is the inside of it. This is how it's set up. It's a 1/10 scale. But I'm gonna make it it's brushed. I like the battery okay. The battery tray is kind of small there. So that knocks down almost all my batteries. I got maybe one battery that'll fit in this tray. And I'm gonna go get it, see if it'll fit. Be right back. Yeah, I don't have no batteries that'll fit this. This is the smallest battery I got. I see I'm gonna have to move this receiver box. I'm gonna have to move this receiver box because I got what I'm gonna do. Man, it's gonna be hard. I'm gonna move this receiver box though, because you figure if this is small as I get, what kind of battery can I put in here? I gotta buy a special battery for this car, and I'm not doing it. I'm gonna remove this receiver box. And it don't look like you can remove it like that. So I'm gonna remove it. And don't know where I'm gonna put it yet, but I'll figure it out. But now she's on. Look, that battery right on the oh wow. I didn't know this was gonna be this compact. That was brushed and all, but yeah, another thing about this car, it got some weight to it. It really got some weight to it. To be a brushed setup, but you figure this is a brushless setup. Not too sure how the diffs are made, but I'm quite sure it's metal gears. I'm gonna look that up, but that's gonna be in the description below also. Hold on, I'm gonna put a body on there and just run across the floor to see how it runs. But I'm definitely gonna change this out. Yeah, that car looked tiny. And my cat's gonna attack it if it moves too fast. This thing got a little push to it though. I definitely gotta take this outside. It's like a lion, you gotta move slow. You move too fast, it's gonna attack. Let me adjust the trim real quick. Yeah, I didn't do an outside run. That was a quick, this car matches the table. I did a quick little preview, how it's gonna run. This ain't gonna be a beast. But I'm still gonna put a brushless motor inside. It's just, this car looked too good to be brushed. But it looked like it's gonna move. Look like it's really gonna move, even though it's brushed. I kinda wanna do a brush run for it. I'll probably do a driveway run, just to see how it really is, how I can, cause I can't open it up in here. But it seems like it got lots of push. Just giving you a quick unboxing of my Hoonicorn Apex 2. But as always, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe, and I'm out.